Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptotes. So let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -4. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? If it is about a rational function, it consists of numerator and the denominator. So which means that we're looking vertical asymptote in this problem. Vertical asymptotes are all about the denominator. In the denominator, we must have an expression that's when you make it equal to 0 and when you solve it for x, that's going to give you -4, which is x plus 4, right? Because when I make it equal to x plus 4 equals 0 and solve for x, we're going to take away 4 from both sides. X will become 0 minus -4 is -4, as you can see. So I'm looking at the choices now. I will check their denominators, and I will look for the expression x plus 4 in it. In the choice A, we have x plus 4. These x plus 1s cancel each other out, and then the choice A must be the answer. In the choice B, we don't have x plus 4 in the denominator. In the choice C, we don't have x plus 4 again, x minus 4 and x plus 1 in there. So in the choice D, do we have x plus 4 in the denominator? No, we have x plus 3 and x plus 2. We can go ahead and eliminate the choice D as well. So the final answer is choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.